In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up one store for multiple international markets in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin by going to admin.shopify.com. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Markets. This opens the Markets page where you can manage regions from one store. You'll see your primary market already listed here. This is the home country you selected when you first created the store. Now create your first international market. On the Markets page, go to the top right area and click Create Market. In the Create Name field, click into the box and type Europe. In the Include section, click Add Condition. A search field will appear so you can start choosing the countries for this market. Search for United Kingdom and check the box next to it. Then search for Germany and check that box as well. After that, search for France and check the box next to France. Once all three countries are selected, go to the bottom and click Done to confirm the countries included in this market. Next, configure the currency settings for this first market. Look for the Currency section inside the Market Settings and click the currency type shown there. This opens the currency settings for the market. Shopify will usually detect the right currency setup based on the countries you selected. Since this market includes more than one country, enable. Use local currencies so customers in each country can pay in their own currency. If the option for price rounding is available, turn that on as well so prices display in a cleaner format. Then click Done. After that, go to the top of the page and click Save. Now create your second international market. In the left sidebar, click Markets again to return to the main market view. Once you're back on the Markets page, click Create Market one more time. In the Name field, type Asia Pacific. Then move to the Include section and click Add Condition. In the Search field, type Japan and check the box next to it. Then search for Australia and check that box too. When both countries have been added, click Done to confirm the selection. Then go to the top and click Save again. At this point, your store has your primary market plus 2 additional international markets. Now add a language for one of your international markets. Go to the bottom left corner and click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click Languages. On the Languages page, go to the top right and click Add Language. A pop-up will open. Click the drop-down field, then type French. Select French from the language list, then click Next. After that, assign this language to the market where you want it to appear. Click the toggle for that market, then click Done. The language will now appear in the list, and it will show as not published. Now link that language to the correct market domain. Go back to Markets. On the Markets page, click the market that should use this language. Find the Domains and Languages section, then click the plus icon. The French language you added should now be available here. Confirm that it is linked to this market using the subfolder URL structure, then click Save. Your main international market setup is now complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. When you look at the Markets page, you should now see your primary market along with 2 international markets, Europe and Asia Pacific. The Europe market includes United Kingdom, Germany, and France, and it is configured to use local currencies. You also added French as a language option and linked it to the selected market through the domain and language settings. This allows customers in supported regions to view pricing in their local currency and access the translated version of your store from a single Shopify admin.